In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use V0 by Vercel, a powerful tool that simplifies the process of designing and deploying your web applications. Whether you're looking to quickly whip up a UI or deploy your project effortlessly, V0 has got you covered. We'll take you through this process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable navigating and utilizing everything that V0 has to offer. First, let's head over to the website v0.app. Here, you'll want to sign in, and you can do so using your GitHub, GitLab, or simply your email account. This streamlined sign-in process means you don't have to remember a new password. Just use an existing account to make things a bit easier. Once you're signed in, take a look around. To begin your creative journey, you'll want to look for the option that says Create New Project or perhaps New Chat. Clicking here is like opening a blank canvas where you can start to flesh out your design ideas. Now, here comes the fun part, describing your vision. In plain and simple language, type out what you want. Say something like, create a responsive login form with email and password fields. The beauty of V0 is its ability to understand and transform your natural language inputs into a digital design framework. You don't need to worry about using technical jargon here. Just tell it like you see it. Once you've entered your description, take a moment to review the design that V0 generates for you. This feature is incredibly handy, allowing you to see your ideas brought to life in a visual format without writing a single line of code. Make sure everything looks the way you want before proceeding. When you're satisfied with the design, it's time to delve into the code. You'll see a code icon. Give that a click to view the React and Tailwind CSS code that has been crafted for you. This is where V0 truly shines, providing you with the coding foundation to integrate these designs seamlessly into your projects. All that's left is to copy the code provided and paste it into your project. With V0, not only do you get a visually appealing design, but you also get the means to implement it without the usual hassles of cross-browser testing and redesigning. Finally, when you're ready to show the world what you've created, you can deploy it using Vercel's platform. To do this, connect your GitHub repository and follow the steps for deployment. It's a straightforward process designed to make your life easier, and soon enough, your project will be live and accessible. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using V0 by Vercel. From ideation to deployment, this tool is geared to maximize efficiency and creativity. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this has given you the confidence to explore and create with V0.